Advocate Vivek Jain, if I can get you in, how does an ordinary citizen look at this? And an ordinary citizen is looking at this and saying, our taxed money is being taken and work that is meant to be done for us is just not getting done between all of this political bickering. What one calls interference in their role and the other calls a complete collapse of decision making. Constitutionally, how is this supposed to be looked at?
Well, I would like to say that this whole controversy could have been avoided. Why I say so is, and why you would see a strong comment from Supreme Court, is because of the reason. There are two reasons. One is the timing. The second thing is the power. Now, as far as the timing is concerned, I think the mayor, Shelley Oberoi, has on 26th of September 2024 had said that she would be getting an election conducted on 5th of October, which would have been done by tomorrow. If the parties could have waited till 5th of October, it would have been done on 5th October, which is tomorrow. However, it didn't stop there. On 26th itself, there is an order passed by LG to have the election conducted at 10 p.m. in the night. That didn't happen. That's why the direction was passed that on 27th by 1 p.m. you should conduct it. Now, therefore, this direction of LG, who was, as per the arguments which are made in the court, was not in India, he was in Seoul. These directions which are given by LG has led to a legal conundrum. Why? Because there are two sections. One is rule regulation 76 of the DMC Act, which says that the mayor is the presiding officer in the election. The second is section 74 read with regulation 11, which says that it is the duty of mayor to decide the place and the timing. Now, that is something which is in the domain of the mayor, as per the MCD Act. Now, Mr. LG here has passed an order under 487, section 487 of the Conduct of Business Rules. Now, that rule, as for what has been argued in the court, is that rule only authorizes him to direct the concerned authority to take action. Now, the case being presented in the court is that the concerned authority is mayor. So you should have directed mayor to take actions. So this whole controversy could have been avoided by just waiting till 5th of October, which is tomorrow. Instead, this whole legal conundrum has been opened. The Article 32 petition is filed, and which led to Supreme Court passing all these directions, staying the election, which could have been avoided according to us. And yes, your concern is right. The
Sandeep Kapoor, do you want to respond to what Advocate Vivek Jain is saying? He's explained the whole procedure. He's explained it very elaborately, very lucidly, making it a very sharp critique, saying this entire furor and the wastage of a taxpayer's money could have completely been avoided. Sandeep Kapoor, my question is to you, please.
Question to whom? Are you asking me?
Sandeep Kapoor, this is for you. The question is for you. Please go ahead.
See, the entire controversy should have been avoided because, the democracy is on stake. The people of Delhi is on stake. If these committees has been formed within 3 months of constitution and election of councillors, it will be avoided. But why Aam Aadmi Party is avoiding constitution of these committees? That's a question under doubt. Why they doesn't want to empower even their own councillors? Because a lot of committees, the Aam Aadmi Party councillors will be chairman. So why they were avoiding? That's a question which has to be answered by Aam Aadmi Party.
Very quickly, Siddharth Sharma. Respond. We're getting out of time. Siddharth Sharma, respond to this. Also, my question to it is, when is this back and forth between the LG and the Aam Aadmi Party going to see an end? Is there going to be an end? Are people going to see projects being rolled out? Are people going to be able to see a Delhi that they want to live in? 30 seconds to both of you.
Aam Aadmi Party has never shied away from elections.
Siddharth first.
That's why, as the lawyer amongst us has said, that the mayor had called for a 5th election and the BJP had to be patient till then. if it wasn't patient and it was doing some ultra constitution contra constitutional act, that has been called by the Supreme Court. Now, as far as the Delhi citizen is concerned,
All right.
Delhi is one of the only states in India which is running under profit, and the people are getting free electricity, free education, free healthcare. So there are things that are going right in Delhi. But obviously, if you ask me as a student who is getting 80%,
I don't think all the citizens would agree to that. There are a lot of things that are not going right in Delhi as well. But Sandeep Kapoor, quickly respond. 30 seconds and I have to end this.
People have already waited for 20 months to form these committees, and they are saying that that's not enough time. You know, half of the time of this MCD.
Why didn't the Modi Sarkar form any parliamentary committee before going into those farm laws? Why didn't Mr. Modi form a parliamentary committee and announce demonetization?
All right. Okay. Okay. We are totally out of time. Thank you very much, all three of you, for joining us. I'm sorry I have to intervene at this point. Siddharth Sharma, Sandeep Kapoor, as well as Advocate Vivek Jain, thank you very much for joining us and for giving us your time. This is a political back and forth. Nonetheless, as I'm reminding everybody, at the end of the day, it's the citizens who are suffering.